Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com. This morning in class we were talking about people that you sometimes row with, that you argue with, and whether or not you'd ever fallen out with anybody. If you fall out with someone, you have a big row and you stop talking to them, often for a long time. And in response to these questions, one of my students got talking about her mother. And she said that even though she's quite close to her mum, she does sometimes end up rowing with her because her mum is always poking her nose into her business. She's always sticking her oar in where it's not wanted and giving her unsolicited advice about how to bring up her own children and so on. And my student basically is quite a quiet, reserved kind of person. She said herself that she's the kind of person who doesn't like to overshare. She thinks some things are best left unsaid. And she doesn't want to tell her mum everything about everything that's going on in her life. She doesn't want to discuss every single little detail of how she's bringing up her own daughter with her mother. And as a result, her mum gets upset, she gets annoyed, she feels like she's not being included in her daughter's life, that her daughter's not sharing enough with her. And basically, the mum complains that she feels a bit left out. If you feel a bit left out, you feel like you're not being included. So maybe if you're a little kid at school and for whatever reason the other kids don't want to play with you, you end up feeling left out. If you're an adult and you find out that a group of your friends are meeting and you haven't been invited, you feel a bit left out. Or sometimes, maybe even if you go to a social gathering or you go to a party or something and everyone else is off talking in little groups and you're standing there feeling a bit like an idiot for having gone there and for not knowing enough people and for not knowing how to get talking to everyone else, you end up feeling very left out. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of how you might use feeling a bit left out.